So this is my MGB GT. As I say, it's not finished yet. It still needs the grille putting in. Mine was previously a rubber bumper. I do nickname my MGB the Git. It sort of works quite well with its nature really. I do have like the odd issue, although it's been looked after all its life. So it's featuring the AC Cobra indicators. These are quite an easy fit, to be honest. It's just basically a direct swap with the cables. As you can see, it's not blended in brilliantly around the edges, but that's something I'm going to come back to now that I've got my air compressor and sander on the go. As you'll notice with the grill, I've had to cut that away. Just on the ends, you will find that it's about a day's job, and then you need to weld some plates in the front to stop any moisture getting in there. As you can see, there's 2 bolts at the top. These are what I was talking about when you use the L brackets. Those ones obviously I couldn't hide so well. The others I just used the old bolt guides and fixed them from the back there, with the L facing backwards, and then just propping up the actual valance from the inside. Then you use your tiger seal and apply your bridge and fillet over the top. Where the indicators are, you're going to have 2 cutouts where you would usually have the rectangular indicators. What I've done is I've used the aluminium mesh that you can just see coming out of there, and just built that up from behind the actual valance and wheel arch, and then from the front. Everything else is then blended with your actual filler. The ducts, as you can see there, they've got no screws in. Some people prefer to have that, give it a more factory or stock look. For myself, I just removed the actual screws and then filled over the holes that had been there. The grill I've just applied with bridge filler from the actual back of it. As you can see, it's just that it's partly tidy, it's not quite there yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you down to the back of the vehicle and show you how far we've got from there.